everybody, welcome to Hipi RV. My name is Jason and I just want to take a second to introduce myself and tell you guys what this channel is all about. I've been an RV tech now for close to 20 years, flying solo for 15, and learned a couple things along the way, and learned it's been one of the greatest gifts of my life is helping people like you guys, you know, down the road when it's going to hell and, you know, we come in and put a smile back on your face. So it's been a true gift, and I think it's time to give back. You know, this industry, it's great, and it started changing and I didn't like it. It almost made me quit quit my own business, man. Like, no, we ain't doing that. So we all got our fight, and Hipi RV is throwing their hat in the ring. We're here to help. So whether it's fixing stuff on the road, broke down, hopefully not way out here, but you know, if it's down way out here, cool. Or, you know, if it's in the studio on a green screen, you know, we're here to help. So, you know, tune in, leave some comments, suggestions, tell us about the videos you guys want to see, you know. We're here to help, we'll do our best to accommodate. I promise, man. So let's just take this back to what it's all about, man. In my opinion, peace, love, and RVs. See you guys down the road. Right on, man.